Figures the guys in here, Jamaican YouTuber. Welcome back to my channel. I promise you guys more content during the Christmas period. I'm off from work officially today, so you're going to see a lot more videos out. I promise you. I promise. I'm going to keep it up. So, how do I even intro this article without putting up the red flags? Anybody can help me with this one here? Captain Weeb. Basically, everyone knows that Japan has one of the best transportation systems in the world. The trains usually run on time to a fault. The buses are good, taxi service, everything great. Now, one of the major issues about the transportation system, though, is not the system itself, but the people. There's a lot of overcrowding, and especially in the big areas like Tokyo, lots of crowding leads to close quarters and lack of personal space, which may then lead to other things such as right and groping. And they call it chikan. The person who does it is called a chikan, pervert, hentai, whatever they say. Now, a 50-year-old male on the Hibiya line apparently groped a 20-year-old female. A 20-year-old woman. Jesus, peace. A 20-year-old woman. She accosted the man, and when she arrived at the Minami Senju station, she sought help from the station personnel. They tried to call 110. The old man tried to flee and escape, and homeboy did a Pikachu jump, and he landed 10 meters below on the JR cargo track. 10 meters is 5 times me, okay? I'm about 1.86 meters in height, so roughly 5 times me. Like me from the first floor, maybe second floor of a building. That's the height. And if you know, the Hibiya line is a subway line, and then there's a JR line which is further below. So he tried to escape and jumped and fell 10 meters. Yo, that hot, And in a way of saying, karma, he broke his pelvis. Yeah. No, this is what I don't get about Japan. So the police are going to wait until he gets better to question him. You have a suspect for a crime, alleged crime. But you're going to wait until him get better. Yet still, when you stop foreigners, you want everything immediately right away. You want everything right away from us to search us. You don't want any time. So tell me something. What crime did so I can't imagine like Moshi wakagozaimasen. すいません。何々さん。病院。出るの時ね、交番行ってください。お願いします。待たせしました。はい、お願いします。I would never recover because I am suffering from traumatic mental distress. Something. Because what I want, this is just, tell me in the comments down below what you think about that. The whole groping situation, and did the guy deserve what happened to him to bring his pelvis? Now, another news item today, Japan is not replaced. When people speak about technological advancements and how wonderful Japan is, Japan Post, one of the oldest banks in Japan, which is also the postal system, is one of the most, I think that's the most branches because it's a post office and a bank, right? Now, imagine this can happen to any company. Data breaches, data losses, and it's fine. People they hack into accounts and data is leaked. Yahoo lost some email accounts the other day, way back when. Banks. But for a bank to lose the documents, like on actual paper, like to lose 270,000 accounts, 270,000, my brain, 290,000 clients' documents, which might have their financial information and transactions and the government bonds and trusts and savings. Paper! They were supposed to be disposed of, and the papers are gone missing. Documents from the bank are gone missing. I don't know how I feel about that. It could happen to anybody or any company, your paper gets misplaced or disposed of, lost paper. But you know what? It doesn't matter. It's okay, Japan. Don't worry, because no one's reading newspapers or paper anymore or print. No one's reading magazines. If it's not on their phone screen or tablet, no one cares. So it is the right era it is in the right era that you made that error of losing the people's documents. Now, another thing I don't like about companies, they always try to downplay the damage because they're trying to protect themselves, which can also cause distrust, because initially they said they only lost 67,000 documents. 67,000 versus 290,000, client stuff. Like, I don't know. I don't know if I'm or not. Thank God I'm with MUFJ. Yeah. Yeah, so that is it for the video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos about Japanese news or happenings in Japan, let me know in the comments down below. I'll bring some collabs over the Christmas holidays. So people, make sure you subscribe, comment, and share the videos. Because if nobody watches it, then nobody watches it. And then I'm just looking like a waste man. Real waste man.